In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, whether you want to do it in your head or by using Excel or Google Sheets. Understanding how to convert these temperature units can be really helpful, especially if you're dealing with weather data or traveling between countries that use different temperature scales. So let's dive right in. Now, if you're looking to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius mentally, there's a simple formula to remember. Subtract 32 from the Fahrenheit value, multiply by 5, and then divide by 9. Let's say it's 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Begin by subtracting 32, giving you 45. Then multiply 45 by 5 to get 225. Finally, divide 225 by 9, which results in 25 degrees Celsius. You see, it's a straightforward calculation once you know the steps, and with practice, you can even estimate in your head quite accurately. However, if you're dealing with a large set of numbers or need more precision, using a spreadsheet can save you lots of time and effort. Let's go over how you can convert Fahrenheit to Celsius using Google Sheets. First, open a new or existing Google Sheet. If you have a list of Fahrenheit temperatures in column A, we'll focus here on cell A2, where you'd have one of your Fahrenheit temperatures positioned. Next, select cell B2, which will house your Celsius conversion. Here's where the magic happens without any manual math. Type in the formula, =, followed by an open parenthesis, A2 minus 32, close parenthesis, asterisk, open parenthesis, 5/9, close parenthesis. What this formula does is, it takes your Fahrenheit temperature from A2, subtracts 32, multiplies the result by 5, and finally divides by 9, giving you the Celsius equivalent. When you've entered this formula, hit Enter, and you'll see the Celsius temperature appear instantly in cell B2. If you have more temperatures to convert in column A, you can use the autofill feature to apply the formula to other cells in column B. Simply click back into cell B2 and drag the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell down through the rest of the cells in column B where you need conversions. This way, you can convert an entire list of temperatures quickly and efficiently. So whether you're doing quick mental conversions or handling large datasets, these methods will surely come in handy. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has made temperature conversion a whole lot easier for you. Be sure to check out more of our videos for other helpful tips and tricks. See you next time.